Choosing the best PC case for your build is just as important as the other components. While the selection of a PC case is a matter of personal preference, here are top 10 best PC cases of 2023. Number 1. NZXT H710i. Building a gaming PC in 2023 is a very different proposition than it was in previous years, and NZXT appears to agree with its line of understated cases that still include RGB lighting as well as modern innovations like USB-C and vertical GPU mounting for an all-encompassing next-gen shell for your build. Tempered glass is going to be hit or miss for some people, but we found that the commitment to aesthetics here really works in cases' favor without sacrificing airflow, which is especially important with a case as large as this. The included cable routing kit allows for simple management, ensuring that it looks as good as it performs at a reasonable price for its size. Number 2. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a surprisingly affordable and well-designed case. It's a very simple cabinet to build in with plenty of room for cooling setups. Large gaps on either side of the perforated front panel allow additional air to flow. The top of the case has perforations as well as a magnetic dust filter. The Corsair 4000D Airflow also includes 220mm Corsair air guide fans. The Corsair Airflow 4000D also includes easy-to-remove dust filters on the top, front and bottom of the power supply. Furthermore, the front panel is easily removable for the installation of fans and radiators. The case is 18.3 inches tall and 7.8 kilograms in weight. Number 3. Lian Li 011 Dynamic EVO. Until recently, the Lian Li 011 Dynamic XL was our top pick for the best PC case on the market. Its new variant, the 011 Dynamic EVO case, has taken its place. The name EVO suggests that it is a modular version of the case. That's right. The new case is the same as the original 011 Dynamic X11, it's just that it's slightly better because you can flip it around and use it in reverse mode. Apart from the new trick, the new version of the case retains everything we liked about the original. As a result, it is now our pick for the best PC case available in 2023. Number 4. Corsair iCue 5000T. The Corsair iCue 5000T is one of the best PC cases for those who want to take advantage of the brand's extensive RGB lighting and cooling options. Though this particular PC case has a high price, there's no denying that if you're looking for a high-end box to build in, few can compare. On the practical side, the tool-free hinge side panels of the Corsair iCue 5000T allow you to access both sides of your PC case without the use of tools or thumb screws. Furthermore, there is support for both vertical GPU mounting and two 360mm radiators, one for your CPU and one for your GPU, as well as up to 10 120mm or 4 140mm fans. In other words, you have a lot of options here to keep your computer cool. But it's the aesthetics and steel frame that will take this case to the next level. Number 5. Razer Tomahawk ATX. Razer has been making sleek gaming laptops and peripherals for a long time, and the company has channeled its knowledge and lighting into this mid-tower gaming PC case, which includes some neat features such as built-in cable management and forward-opening doors for easy construction. Not to mention the chroma lighting, which some may find excessive, though it's only underneath rather than being connected to any included fans or whatever. Even better, it supports a 360mm radiator size, allowing you to easily keep high-end CPUs ice cold. Number 6. NZXT H210i. NZXT's signature case design has been around for a while, but it still stands out. The clean, modern design is enhanced by its own ARGB system and enough space to build a killer PC. Even better, NZXT has successfully translated everything great about its larger cases to the mini ITX scale. H210i appears to be identical to its larger siblings, with the exception of the lack of PCIe expansion slots on the rear. The NZXT H210i is stylish and clever without being overly radical. Mini IXT can be difficult to build, and this is far from the smallest case of its kind. Number 7. MSI MAG Forge 100R. There is no possible explanation why a high-quality gaming PC case should be prohibitively expensive. MSI appears to agree with its MAG series case line, with a 100R being ideal for any budget builder, allowing your money to be better spent on core components without sacrificing style. The cost-cutting measures, such as the lack of support for 360mm radiators and only 2 drive bays, aren't likely to be a deal breaker. But if these omissions don't bother you, this is still a great value. Number 8. Define FRACTAL Design 7. On the market, FRACTAL Design has a wide range of cases in various categories. Their Define series includes some excellent PC cases that are well liked in the community. Many enthusiasts prefer these cases for their performance as well as their mechanical design. The Define 7 was chosen as a worthy addition to this collection for several reasons. It has a lot of convenient build features, good thermal performance, and it's quieter than most other mid-tower PC cases. The Define 7 PC case has space for 9 fans in total. The case comes standard with 2 Dynamic X2 GP14 140mm front fans and a single 140mm rear exhaust fan. It also has 4 radiator mounting positions for a flexible liquid cooling setup. And regardless of the number of fans and radiators you're willing to work with, the Define 7 operates quietly. The use of sound dampening material for the front, top, and side panels is largely responsible. Number 9. Cooler Master Case H500. If there's only one thing you should know about Cooler Master, it's that the company always lives up to its name, thanks to its spacious design, which makes it prime real estate for building as you go. Those dual 200mm ARGB fans aren't going to be everyone's cup of tea, but they'll keep your rig cool. And with simple fan controls, you'll be able to tailor the speeds easily to keep those temps down at all times. Number 10. Thermaltake Tower 900. The Thermaltake Tower 900 is the collection's second full tower PC case, following the Corsair Obsidian 1000D. The Tower 900 is easily one of the largest PC cases available today, and is ideal for an over-the-top enthusiast build with custom loops. This case accommodates eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards and allows you to be creative with your cooling solution. The cabinet has enough room for 2 water cooling loops with large radiators and reservoirs. The case will not improve the performance of your gaming PC, but it will ensure that all of your components fit together and stay cool through liquid or air cooling. You could argue that one of best PC cases will foster good performance in this way. Unfortunately, they will not increase your frame rate or allow you to click more heads as RGB lighting does. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on one of these top 10 best PC cases of 2023 by clicking on the links in the description and take your gaming experience to the next level. Happy gaming!